Why did you call me?
I just wanted to check on you.
After 6 months.
Yeah, I know it's late.
It is.
How have you been?
Fine.
That sounds like a lie.
Why, do you care?
I never stopped.
You left first.
I thought you wanted that.
I didn't.
Then why did it feel like you did?
Because you stopped talking to me.
You did too.
I was waiting for you.
I was waiting for you too.
That's stupid.
Yeah, it is.
We wasted so much time.
Because of one message.
What message?
The one saying you met someone else.
I never sent that.
I know that now.
Then why did you believe it?
Because I was hurt.
Me too.
I should have asked you.
Yeah, you should.
I regret it.
It's too late now.
Is it really?
What do you mean?
We're talking again.
That doesn't fix anything.
Maybe it can start something new.
Like what?
Like understanding each other.
I don't trust easily anymore.
Neither do I.
You changed.
So did you.
Maybe we weren't right for each other.
Or we just didn't try enough.
That sounds like an excuse.
Maybe it is.
I moved on.
Did you really?
Yes.
You hesitated.
I didn't.
Emma,
Don't.
I still think about you.
That's your problem.
Maybe.
Why are you doing this?
Because I miss you.
Missing someone doesn't fix the past.
I know.
So what do you want?
To talk.
We're talking.
I mean, really talk?
About what?
About why we broke.
We already know.
Do we?
You thought I cheated.
And you thought I did.
That's it.
But neither of us did.
Yeah,
That's the worst part.
we ruined it ourselves.
Or we believed the wrong things.
Same thing.
Not really.
What do you want from me, Ryan?
A second chance.
That's not simple.
I know.
I built my life again.
So did I.
Then why come back?
Because it still feels unfinished.
For you, maybe.
For both of us.
I don't know if I can go back.
I'm not asking you to go back.
Then what?
Just understand me.
I already do.
Do you forgive me?
I don't know, yet.
That's fair.
And you?
I forgave you a long time ago.
I thought you replaced me.
I thought you hated me.
Then why didn't you call me?
We were both wrong.
Because of pride.
And silence.
Silence killed us.
Yeah,
We can't go back.
that's sad.
Goodbye, Ryan.
Goodbye, Emma.